Stop! Don't throw away your pineapple peels. Make this drink instead. Rice and pineapple drink, or arroz con piña as we call it in Spanish. For this recipe you will need peel of a pineapple, white rice, evaporated milk, cinnamon stick and powder, sugar, and vanilla. Make sure to wash your pineapple under water to remove any dirt that it could have since we are going to cook it. Peel it as you will normally and set it aside. Just make sure to leave some of that delicious pineapple flesh on it so that will infuse the water and the rice. Transfer your pineapple peels into a large pot. Add rice and the cinnamon stick and cover with water for about 1.5 liters. Cover your pot and let it simmer for 30 minutes over medium-low heat or until the rice is cooked. The rice grains will swell a lot due to the amount of water. Once the rice is cooked, turn off the heat, remove the pineapple peels and the cinnamon stick and let it cool before blending. Transfer the cooked rice into the blender. Before blending, add the evaporated milk, the sugar, more cinnamon, vanilla, and blend the mixture up. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit more water. Adjust the sugar to taste if necessary. Transfer to a pitcher or jar and refrigerate to chill. Serve with ice and enjoy this refreshing drink. If you prefer another summer drink, check out this chicheme mix. I'll see you there. Bye!